Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So today I'm doing a swipe, one of my botanical swipes, but I'm going to be using some metallics, and my base paint is this beautiful metallic by Rust-Oleum. It's champagne. I believe that's what it's called. Yeah. So I haven't used this in a while, and I just thought, oh, this would be a really pretty base for a swipe botanical. So that's going to be my base paint. I'm going to be pouring on, actually over this canvas that I previously poured on. I didn't like, so I covered it, adjusted it, and we're going to pour on it's a Convexo canvas. I got this at Dick Blick. Colors I'm going to be using today, and they're going to be some metallics with some blues and golds in them. So I have some classic bronze by Rust-Oleum, some warm copper by Rust-Oleum. I have some copper penny by Rust-Oleum. I have some DecoArt Extreme Sheen Deep Sapphire. I have some Harbor Sky by Rust-Oleum. It's a pretty color. I have a little bit of Folk Art Treasure Gold. I have some Artist Loft's Turquoise. I have my 24 karat gold, which I'm going to use sparingly because I don't want to use too much of this. Sometimes it'll spread out. Then I have this custom mix, and it was, I believe, like an amethyst purple with a little black. I used it in my video not a few back. It was my collaboration with Cos Creations. Actually, a lot of these colors are inspired by her. She's so terrific. We did a beautiful collaboration together, and it was just so kind of her, all the nice things she said about me. I'll link that video here, and you can go check that out if you haven't seen that. But it was so awesome to work with her, and I thank her so much. So let's get started. I'm going to get my workspace ready, get my paint down on my canvas, and we'll put some music on and have some fun and paint. All right. Oh, and if you're new here, please like, subscribe, comment, and go check out my Instagram, TSR_creations. I do a lot of stuff over there that I don't do over here, and I'd love you to go follow me over there, see what I'm up to. A lot of my alcohol inks I put over there. I do have a few videos of alcohol inks coming up in the next few weeks, because I've done a few, and I've had some people asking me about them. So I'll scatter them in throughout. All right. Before I start, real quick, I forgot to tell you, I am going to be swiping with my 4 parts Floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam white, titanium white paint. I mix it in a big batch and just keep it in my Floetrol bottle. And I'm going to add some Pearl by DecoArt. I decided I wanted some white, maybe, I think. Anyway, let's get started.
An ocean, a cave, a dream that no one could save, a shelter, a whole act, a light that died with the night. You and I, we got our differences, yeah. I thought we were more alike than unlike. Months of rain and chest pain. What's the plan? Heavy breathing, stay insane. Grab my hand. Everything is great inside this narrow maze. We speak, but oh, nothing. We run our separate ways. Do you ever think about this narrow maze. Everything has lost its taste. Ooh. Months of rain and chest pain. Heavy breathing, stay insane. Now grab my hand. Months of rain and chest pain. Tell me what's the plan.
I'm getting out of bed, reaching for the water glass. I need to cool my head. Yesterday evening's all I missed, and I know you're still in town. You should know I've seen you when you walk around. There's nothing more to say. I just need for you to take my hand and stay. Too many times you slipped my heart. It's not always a sign. Oh, it's gonna be a good day when I see you coming down the road. Oh, it's gonna be a good day on the highway of my beating soul. When I start to lose control, I could never let it roll, and it's always been the same. I just need for